Welcome to SSR Pharma Media, your trusted source for pharma knowledge. Decode the pharmaceutics MCQs made simple. Today we are going to discuss about extraction part 2. Prepare, practice, succeed. So part 1 already we have covered the last video. Today we are going to cover extraction part 2. In that we are going to see double maceration process, triple maceration process, percolations, digestion. So this is the extractions comparison of maceration process of double and triple. So it's a double maceration and triple macerations we are going to compare. So under the double maceration, so macerations are divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. So there are two parts in double maceration. In triple maceration, so after the maceration part separated into three parts. So it's called triple maceration. Then next, the first maceration part and time is 48 hours. So under the triple macerations, only 3 times 3 hours. So 3 hours we used to keep. So in the double maceration we will keep under 48 hours, and in triple maceration 3 hours we will keep that macerations. Next is straining is done under the double maceration. In the straining, mark is pressed and strain press the mark every time. So under the triple maceration, the staining every time, press only after the last maceration process. So next is the mixing and final volume of the extraction process. So here mix the mixed liquids and adjust to the final volume. So here the important point is adjust to the final volume. But here the combine 2 plus 3 parts of the maceration and evaporate and mix with one part with another part and add alcohol 90%, 1/4 of the final. Next is the menstruum type it's a solvent type. Here 25% of alcohol remaining. So in this triple maceration, the maceration type is water plus 90% of alcohol. So water type and special additions. This is the comparisons between double maceration and triple maceration process. So next is we'll see in the theoretical point of view double maceration and triple maceration. So last slide is a diagrammatic representation. So now we will see the theoretical representation. Menstruums are divided into two parts. Here menstruums are divided into three parts. Drug macerated for 48 hours first, then the second maceration start. Here in triple, drug macerated 3 times and each for 1 hour. Here the liquid strained after each step, the mark pressed on each time. Liquid strained each time, mark pressed only after the last maceration. All liquids mixed and volume adjusted with menstruum. Second and third extract combined and partially evaporated and mixed with the first extract. Use alcohol 25% as a menstruum. So use water as a menstruum and alcohol 90% added. In double maceration, the menstruum is divided into, so the answer is option B, 2 parts. Triple maceration uses how many parts of menstruum? So option C, 3 parts of menstruum. Duration of first maceration in double maceration is, so option B, 48 hours. In triple maceration, each maceration is for, option C, 1 hour. In double maceration, the mark is pressed C. After each maceration process. In triple maceration, the mark is pressed. Option C. After last maceration only. Menstruum used in double maceration is option B. Alcohol 25%. Menstruum in triple maceration is option B. Water with alcohol 90% added later. In double maceration, the final volume adjustment is done by option A. Adding more menstruum after mixing pressed liquid. In triple maceration, final steps involves, so the final step, option A is the answer. Mix in second part, third part extract to evaporate concentration, and it leads mix with one part extract, then add alcohol 90%. It's the final product. So next is under the extraction, percolations we are going to see. So percolation is also called as continuous extraction, where menstruum passes through powdered drug. Types of percolations: simple percolation, percolation for concentrated preparation, continuous percolations. So under the simple percolation, basic process is used for tinctures, example belladonna, cardamom, ginger. Percolation for concentrated preparations, it is used for strong extract. Reserve, it is also called as, it is type of the percolation for concentrated preparations are reserve percolation, is the part of extract reserved for strength, and adjustment for adjustment. Next is a modified percolations, drug or percolate reduced to 1:3 ratio. Continuous percolations, continuous solvents flow will be there. Example, Soxhlet extractions, so also called as hard percolations. Soxhlet apparatus also called as continuous hard percolation. The stages of simple percolations are: first, imbibition, 4 hours, drug moistened with menstruum, swelling occurs and packed in percolator. Then second step, after 24 hours, maceration for 24 hours, drugs kept in contact with the solvent, menstruum becomes saturated. And third process is the percolations. Under the percolation, slow downward flow of solvent, the extract remaining active constituent. Move to the questions. Which of the following is the correct sequence in simple percolation? So option C, imbibition. So imbibition leads to maceration, maceration to percolation. Duration of imbibition in simple percolation is option B, 4 hours. Drug maceration in percolation, the menstruum, option B, dissolves the active constituent and becomes saturated. After collecting 3/4 of extract in percolation, the mark is option B, pressed and mixed with percolate. Which of the following statement is true about digestion? Option B, it involves heating under controlled conditions to improve extraction. Continuous percolation is exemplified by option B, Soxhlet extraction. Which of the following is not a type of percolation? Option D, decoction. So next under the extraction, digestion. So digestion is the macerations carried out at elevated temperature to increases extraction efficiency. So key points are: heat is applied, increases penetration power of menstruum, it leads to complete extraction of active constituent, faster than simple maceration process. Digestion in pharmacognosy is defined as, so option B, extraction by heating under controlled condition to improve penetration of menstruum. What is the main advantage of digestion over simple maceration? So option C answer, it increases extraction efficiency and reduces time. Ambition in pharmaceutical extraction refers to, so answer in the comment box. So join in our WhatsApp community, you will get hands-out material, as well as you check in the YouTube SSR Pharma Media and see the playlist. You will get number of series videos, previous videos. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share.